Birds in Urdu. In this lesson, you will learn name of certain birds in Urdu language. Let's have a start. First we have dove. Fakhta, 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 fakhta. Hen, murgi, 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 hen. Sparrow, चिड़िया, चिड़िया. The R sound like double R. चिड़िया, चिड़िया mean sparrow. Next we have parrot, तोता, तोता. Next we have duck, बतख, बतख. First say ba and then ta and then ah. This he sound like in Arabic language. Batakh mean duck. Next we have rooster, murga, murga. Ghain sound like in Arabic language, combination of G and H. Murga, murga, that's mean rooster. Next we have chicken, chooza, chooza, chooza. Next we have peacock, more, more. It sound like in English language, more. Next we have vulture, gid, gid. In here G hard like goat or game, and then DH, gid, gid, very short, gid. Yes, that's mean vulture. Next we have crow, kawa, 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 but short sound kawa, that's mean crow. In here we have owl, ullu, 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 long sound ullu, ullu. Next one is pigeon, kabutar, kabu, and then tar. In here T is soft like in Arabic and Spanish language. Kabutar, kabutar. Here we have eagle, akab, akab. At the end finish this word with B sound, akab. The second last is swallow, ababil, ababil, ababil. If you can read Urdu language, you can read it easily in here. And in here I also put single alphabets so that you can easily read it. Ababil. In the last we have electric choker. In Urdu language it's called chakor, and it's Pakistan national bird. Chakor, chakor. Don't forget to subscribe us if you are new to our channel. We teach Urdu writing, Urdu reading, Urdu speaking, and we also teach how to cook Pakistani food, and with us you can learn about Pakistan culture. Have a nice day. See you in the next lesson.